Wow. Right now? That's pretty good. Where are your sneezes for the day? Yeah, it might have to.
Okay.
Don't force me, Kale. Kale, do not force me to try to sneeze, okay?
All right.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Do it. Ah, that's right.
Is it gonna happen again?
Maybe. Possibility, actually. I think we're going for round 4.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think we're going for round 4, Megs. Round 4.
Meg says agreed.
Agreed. Ready, Kel? Ready, Megs? You ready? Well, it's 27 degrees. Swing! Oh, she's warm outside.
Are you gonna do it again?
Oh, maybe. Maybe, baby. Maybe, baby.
Is it gonna happen again?
Is it gonna happen again? Maybe. No, actually, I think I'm. Well, hold on. I might. I'll let you know. I'll keep you posted.
Okay.
You get your chickpeas done for tomorrow. Tomorrow. I love you. Tomorrow. Love you, buddy.
Love you too.
And your little dog too. Oh. No, I don't think I'm gonna sneeze anymore, Enzo.
Okay.